everyone, this is Ruby from Cardiby. Today I'm excited to show you the SUNWARD SWE135E excavator, a machine that balances flexibility and power perfectly. It has an operating weight of 13.5 tons, powered by a Yuchai engine with 48 kilowatts of rated power. Its basket handles 0.5 to 0.7 cubic meters and it performs reliability across municipal projects, small construction, farm renovations, and other tight space tasks. It can dig up to 6.1 meters deep and reach 8.8 meters wide, with 100 kN of bucket digging force and 76 kN of arm force. It delivers great depth, range, and stays powerful and stable while in operating. The cab is spacious, fitted with one-touch start and smart air conditions and a 7-inch touchscreen. It offers unobstructed visibility and easy low-effort operation, standing out of comfort in its class. All in all, the SWE135E is flexibility, tough, and balanced work, efficiency with slow economy. It's a reliable helper for all kinds of small and mid-sized projects. If you want to experience the SWE135E's great performance or learn more about it, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.